I gotta get on TikTok. Good morning, good morning. Not yet. It is Wednesday, February 28th. I'm like sick of January and February. Honestly. Let's get into March. How about that? Guys, we have to be joining the student call, and you have to be joining the student call, and you have to be reading the synopsis. No. What? No, Jen, that's not it. All right, market's open. I gotta get on TikTok. Or he might mean, do you mean? Good morning. All right. Well, we're going to break this 9:20. I got to get on TikTok. I'm late. I got to get on TikTok. I was actually about to be on time. I was on time for YouTube. Is that the one I want to use? I guess so. I'll just use this one. And I didn't have my face in it yesterday, and I feel like we had less viewers. So clearly, I need to be doing that. Good morning, good morning. Please hit that thumbs up button. All right, let's get started. He might actually mean the little one. Thanks, Jen. Thank you, guys. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. It's Wednesday, February 28th, 9:33 a.m. I apologize. I'm a few minutes late on TikTok. Ooh, we broke it. And the magic line is also at 9:15. So let's see if we can stay below the 9:20, 9:15. It's a tough level. We'll have to see. I put this in announcements. All right. There we go. Talked about this on the student call. If you wanted to take the short below 920, really more like 916, that could be a nice play to complete the pattern that we saw earlier this morning, about an hour ago. And because it's a really, really strong level. So we could drop 120 points. Nice. Nice job, Christopher. So just went down to the whole number of 900. So that's 15, 20 points for anyone that took that short. Nice job. Hit your target. Awesome. Awesome work. Yeah, because the above this is kind of choppy, and above that we have a really crappy zone. So let's see. I think I can get rid of this and this and this and this. Okay, cool. It is Wednesday. Not in any trades yet. Had some what did we do for... Did NQ...
Order submitted.
No NQ... R2Y is in a trade. No NQ night trades. No NQ early. I mean, no ES or NQ...
Target filled.
Target filled on R2Y. Oh, and R2Y is a run today, so that's good. R2Y is a play today. It's 1 for 1. No trades for NQ evening, no trades for NQ night, no trades for ES night. So no overnight trades on the standard algorithms. We back above 920 and we're pushing back up. Let's see if we get to the other area where I mentioned we could take a trade from. Nice job, Tino. On the premium side, we did have a few losses overnight. NQ London Waves had a loss. ES night zones had a loss, and NQ night zones. It's been a choppy week. Yesterday was choppy. Monday was choppy. Last Wednesday on FOMC was choppy. And we go over essentially what that means and what that looks like on the student call every day from 8:45 to 9:15. I actually just got off at like 9:20. Sometimes it will run over. But the point is, nice job. Foxy got a little piece. Chris got a little piece. It went... I also have a daily level here. What is that, at like 32 or something? Let's see, we could probably get that short again from 920. Got to break that 900 and then go lower. This was almost the completion of the pattern. But I would love a move back up to like 980 and see what we can do there. Or this daily level at 967. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. There's 18 of you on YouTube and only 7 likes. Please hit the thumbs up. I could still be in bed because I was really sleepy this morning. But I'm here to show you guys the algorithm and to talk about, like, I'm honestly going through a lot of the stuff that I talk about on my student calls with you guys on this free live stream. So I just appreciate the likes on TikTok. Make sure you follow if you don't already follow, and then the thumbs up on YouTube. That's all I ask. That's all I ask for on these live streams. What's up, William? Will is in the chat. Will, say hi because he will be live today from 4 to 5 p.m. Jen will be live from 2 to 3 p.m. We go live 3 to 4 times a day, every single day on TikTok. Monday through Friday, 3 to 4 times a day. So I'm live 9:30 to 10:30. Jen is live typically 2 to 3 p.m. And then Will is live 4 to 5 p.m. And then when Kyle goes live, it's 6 to 9 p.m. But Kyle only goes live every other week, so not every week. Seriously, this is a nice carryover from the student call. Exactly. Only because I'm being nice and because there's no other trades happening. Clearly, I'm in a giving mood. But, again, I could be like, okay, student calls over, I'm going back to bed, you know? But no, I'm here. Nice job. Son of a bitch. Nice job, Chris. Those areas usually align with levels that I already have. Foxy with Sam. But I'm glad that they help you. What's up, Roland? Good morning. Hi. Make sure you tap that screen. Tap, tap, tap. Good morning if you're on YouTube. If you want more information about the auto trading algorithms or about my mentorship, just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com. Wednesday is typically a harder day for us to trade, but Monday and Tuesday were kind of crap, so it would be nice if we had a nice, smooth, easy day today. We're not going to overthink it, Peter. We're not going to think like that.
Order submitted.
Where are we at? We are in a long on ES and NQ. Let's go look at those. Let's see if we can move back up here. Oh, did you guys update your ES? Did you guys update your ES? Because I posted an announcement yesterday. I made the stop loss.
Target filled.
Target filled. I made the stop loss smaller. RTY is 2 for 2. Well, that's why you should just turn the volume off and not watch those trades. NQ and ES are both in this long. Updated. Shoot, I forgot to update it. Yeah, make sure you update it. You can update it after this trade or whatever. Let's go. Let's go. We need just a little pushy push. Up, up, up. I think I forgot to update mine, so mine's on the bigger one too. So as long as mine hits, then I know everyone else that at least updated definitely hit. Let's go. Push, push, push. ES is pushing. Go, go, go. You're almost there. You're almost there. Let's see if we get to this 76. 2 ticks away. 2 ticks away. 2 ticks away. 1 tick away. 1 tick away. There you go.
Target filled.
Target filled. Target filled. NQ's running too. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Target filled.
Target filled on NQ.
Order submitted.
NQ. ES. Early. 1 for 1. We need some eggs in the chat. We need some apples in the chat. Come on. Everyone's hungry. NQ hit. ES hit. This is why, Peter, you don't overthink things. We do not do that. Stop watching. Just let the algos do their thing. Push, push, push. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. 4 for 4 on the day on standard algorithms. 4 for 4. NQ, ES, RTY. Let's go. Let's go. Now let's see if we can get to where I want to get to. We're back above this daily level, so we should be able to run a bit higher on NQ. See if we get to 45 or 50. That will be the next area. That's essentially where we got on this wick. And then above that would be the 67. I'm just waiting to make some manual trades, so I have to watch algo. You don't have to. You could just put it on mute and just tap the screen with your finger a gazillion times. Go on YouTube, give a thumbs up, you know, all of those things. There's so many other things you could be doing. What's the emoji for RTY? Can it be a fox? Because my school bus driver name was Russell, but everyone called him Fox. I like that. I think we had thought of one, but I can't even remember what it is, honestly. Look at Tim. Algos. Nice job, Tim. $200 across all of his accounts. Oh, Apex extended their sale. They're doing a sale 80% off and 1-day evaluation pass through Monday? Is it Monday? Oh, they texted me yesterday. They emailed me. And R2Y only runs a few days a week, but when it does, it gives another extra little padding, so that's nice. All right, we're creeping back under that 920. See what happens here. See if that 920 holds and we move back up, or if it breaks below. R2Y is in orange, Jen said. Well, it could be a fox. So many foods. The sale is through Monday. Yep, so the way that it works is you get an Apex account, or you can use a cash account. It's up to you. You then purchase the lease of the algorithm. It's $500 for 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. And then you turn on the algorithm on your account and it trades for you. Trades 23 hours a day, 6 days a week in the futures market only. No stocks, no options, no forex. And yeah. We are bouncing off that magic line. See if that can hold and move up. Oracle is in along, but we'll see what happens here. Again, the loss is pretty small. It's $300. So it's not a big deal if I have a loss, but I would love to have a win here. We just need some actual, like, trending of the market. You know what I mean? If it gets stopped here and then we get the short, so it did. All right, we are under 920 and we're at that magic line at 915. We have to keep in mind the 900. That's what held us last time. Love BoldBot. I think I want to cancel 2 evals. I roll over tomorrow, grab some new ones, and run busy. Yeah, good idea. What do you suggest I run to pass the evals? So I can't suggest anything because that would be advice, and I can't give advice. However, when you join, we have a private setting spreadsheet that you get access to, and from there, you get to see the risk to reward. So like, oh, okay, well, this one has this risk, this one has this risk. Really, you should be basing everything off of risk, honestly. Like Vizzy only has a $200 risk. People really like that. And then it can make a run, and then, I love that it just got stopped and now it's moving higher. It can make a run, and then you can essentially turn it off if you want, if you're just trying to pass an eval. If that makes sense. So NQ's trying to drop, but ES is holding kind of strong here. We are back under that magic line, so let's see if we get a drop now. If we drop below 900, we could get a nice drop. No. It seems like some people are having some connection issues. Oh, uh-oh. Well, that doesn't go there, John. That goes over here. And I thought I had a thing. I thought I had a channel for connections. I really thought I did. Oh, I did. October 4th. Well, I don't use Rhythmic anymore. I only use Tradebait accounts.
Order submitted.
And they are... All right, we're at 900, and they are working fine.
Stop failed.
That's on this one that I'm testing. I need to mute this. So I only use Tradeovate accounts now. When people ask, should they get Rhythmic or Tradeovate, I pretty much always say Tradeovate. They're really going to have to give a lot. It seems like people that had issues the other day, they made it right. I don't know. Yeah, I don't get Rhythmic anymore at all. The difference in price is like $1 more to get Tradeovate. And with all those Rhythmic issues that we were having in Q4 last year, I'm like, F that, I'm not getting anymore.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Target filled. NQ early, 2 for 2. Guys, you can't, this is not student stuff at all. It has to go in the Apex thread. All right, so NQ early is 2 for 2. They will. This is why I stopped buying Rhythmic months ago. I only buy Tradeovate accounts now, and my Tradeovate accounts are working fine. They are working totally fine. Let's go. We got that drop. We broke that 900. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going to 800 now. Nope. Doesn't go there. Doesn't go there, Andon, either. It does not go there. It goes in the thread. We're in miscellaneous. You guys will all have to put in tickets, essentially. You'll have to put in a ticket. Yeah, clearly it's happening to like a lot of people that have, hey Laura, that have Rhythmic. So all of you Rhythmic people need to put in a ticket and they can fix it. Okay, that doesn't go here. Please post in the Apex thread. This is already being discussed in the Apex thread. Yes, I'm 2 for 2 on NQ early. So we are 5 for 5 on the day on the standard algorithms. And any connection issue needs to be posted in the miscellaneous Apex thread. Please. All of you need to put in a ticket. They will reestablish all your accounts back to what they... Yeah, everyone needs to be submitting a ticket if you have an issue with your platform. Okay, again, Peter, you guys need to stop posting about the disconnect in the chat. I've said it like 10 times now. You guys are posting in the student channel and then the regular chat. We gotta just put it in the correct thread so then everyone can have the same conversation in the same area. But thank you for trying to help. Please. I had a connection thread. I need to redo that. Jared, I'm going to tag you here too. Went to 76. All right. We're still dropping. I like this short. Ooh. Do you see that level? And there's your completion. Do you see this level? Perfect. See if we can break it. 75. See if we can break 75. Then it's free falling time to 800. Just got to break 75. Nice job. Oh, that's crazy. See, well, that will help. I think it just happened, Moonshine. Well, that will help with Evan, where... We got to see if we can break this 90 and then 75 to move lower. There's an entire thread about it. Not too bad, even with a connection, a win is a win. Good job. I'm gonna tag you here. There you go, Gage. All right. Whew. Busy day. See, even Rhythmic doesn't like win. Oh, look. The laters are a no, so pretty much already done for the day. No trades. Oh, and this is 55. So 5 for 5, 2 for NQ early, a long and a short, 2 for RTY, and 1 for ES. 5 for 5 on the day on the standard algorithms. Nice, nice, nice. If you had a connection issue with Rhythmic, you need to submit a ticket so they can make things right. I apologize if that happened to you. I don't control Apex. You could use the Tradeovate accounts instead of the Rhythmic accounts because Rhythmic is their connection provider, essentially. That's who the trades go through, Rhythmic. If you use Tradeovate, then the trades go through Tradeovate, which is essentially the NinjaTrader platform. So if that is something that you're using Rhythmic, in the future you might want to just get the Tradeovate accounts instead. But if you have Rhythmic and you had issues today, send in a ticket so they can essentially reimburse you. Nope. Wrong area, Jody. Wrong area, Jody. And threads are so hard for people. I'm not sure why, but threads are so hard. Like, they're so hard. There are threads. You have to post in the thread. Yeah, we already dropped down to 75, John. It's 9:58. Is there a report at 10? I feel like I can't even remember the reports today. Caleb, you're showing the gap because you had a disconnection issue. So I'm going to move that over to the Apex thread. Rhythmic gives me more headaches and I'm not even using it. No more reports. Okay, thanks. I remember making thread mistakes. Yeah. Too many of them. Too many. Nice. All right, let's drop back down. Oh, Peter, you were like there. I saw a TikTok the other day, and you were like one of the main culprits that stresses me out. I don't even know if you know that. So there's this TikTok that says, like, if people annoy you, then you're an introvert. So I've never considered myself an introvert. I feel like I'm an extrovert. But this guy was like, if people like, okay, so people annoy you, then it could be because you're an introvert who's has very high social skills. So if you have very high social skills, it's like, you communicate really well and people understand what you're saying, and you enjoy talking to people and having conversations or whatever. But it's people that don't understand when you don't want to be bothered, and when you've said, like, okay, I can't handle this right now, or this is enough, and they don't get that because they're extroverts with lower social skills, that they're not picking up on my cues and they won't leave me alone. That's how I feel like it is sometimes with us, Peter. I feel like I tell you I can't, like, handle this right now, or I can't deal with it, and then you still just continue to bring it. And I'm like, oh my God. So I may be an introvert with high social skills. But they say when two people with high social skills get together, that they just don't talk that much because they understand, like, where each of them are, like, socially. Like, when we talk, it's just about, like, important stuff, and that's it. We don't have to, like, fill the space, essentially. But yeah, I don't know. It kind of felt like that was me, but maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Yeah, you would think Apex would get rid of Rhythmic. You would think they would just be like, we're not using Rhythmic anymore. I agree, Jared. Oh, Rhythmic already posted that they are aware of the issue. No need for a ticket. We will implement the fix as we always have, so no need to panic or to spam our support with multiple tickets. That's what they just said. So if you had a red day, it will get fixed. So, Evan, no need to cry. But if you're green, then they'll just leave them alone. I really have not had a lot of problems with it. I don't really have the problems other than for some reason. So I only have Trade Evade accounts now, so I had no issues with my connections, and that's because I don't have Rhythmic. Yeah. Well, I don't know why you guys aren't getting Trade Evade since the last time this happened. It's kind of confusing. Like, why are you guys still buying Rhythmic? Because it's like $1 cheaper? Oh, no. Because it moved it too quickly? Hmm. Where's, oh, there it is. Been too lazy to set it up. Yeah, it does take like a second, but it's not bad. It's not bad. All right, cool. Cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. If back to 900. See if we can drop back down. I really want to go to 800. That's 75 held. It went back to 80 a minute ago. Nice job. So, people that haven't had connection issues, Wednesdays have been my nemesis, just happy to beat green. Nice job, Dana. Andon, not too bad. Even with the connection issues, a win is a win. Nice job. Yeah, that would be a good idea. I'm not sure how they even stay with Rhythmic with all of the issues that they've had. William got my money before the Great Freeze, but my Oracle was up $400 when it happened. No connection issues, but I'm just going to call it a day just in case. Nice job, Jen. Rick, done for the day, easy peasy. And then Tim. So, well, they dismissed all red trades. Yes. That's typically what they do when they have these freezes, and this is what it's costing them money, because if it wasn't a freeze and people had a red day, then they would have to buy a new account. You know what I'm saying? So the money they are losing with keeping the relationship with Rhythmic is insane to me. But I don't know why they just don't get rid of them and say the only option is Tradeovate. Oh, you know why? Because maybe, no, I don't know. I was going to say maybe some other platforms accept Rhythmic but not Tradeovate. I don't know, like the forex stuff. That's probably what it is now that I think about it. That's probably what it is. Anyway, so what they typically do, if your account is red today, even if you didn't have a disconnect issue, if you have a Rhythmic account and it's red today, they will reset that account back to the balance that it was yesterday. So before today started, which is Wednesday, 6 p.m. on Wednesday, whatever your balance was before 6 p.m. on Tuesday evening, they will restore it back to that. That is typically what they do. And since so many people are submitting tickets and saying that they have an issue, they will just do it for everyone, essentially. Now, if it was like one person or two people submitted a ticket, they will actually look into like their connection issues. But if it's all of these people like it is now, and they clearly know there is a big disconnect issue today, they will just go into their system. Everyone that has accounts that are red today, cancel my yes. All the people that have red accounts today, they will just put the balance back to what it was yesterday. So, thanks for the likes on YouTube, guys. That's really appreciated. I am very happy to see that. I'm going to play pickleball in a little bit because I didn't get to play pickleball yesterday because I had a very special guest in town and I had to take them to the airport. So, which was great. But today I'm back in my regular schedule. I'm going to play pickleball until 2:30, so a good 3 hours or so, because it really relieves some of this stress from trading that can come, as well as just the weight I feel if someone like has a bad day. I really hold all of that on my shoulders and it sucks. I just want everyone to win all of the time. All of the time, win, win, win. Nice job, Foxy. I'll take it for today so far. Just be careful if you're green and then you decide to continue to trade. There still could be connection issues. So please just be careful, okay? I don't want you losing any of those sweet profits. Thank you, Bonton. I'm going to post this. I'm going to put this in announcements because they don't want people sending in any more tickets. I'm going to also put it in chat. Nice little piece of the pie today. Done enough. Enjoy the day. Have a great day. All right, perfect. Markdown. What's a markdown? I went right back up to the magic line at 15. If I decided, well, I think what's his face did a good job there. If this one gets stopped, I don't know, we'll see if we come back down under back at 900. But if it gets stopped, then I'm just going to turn it off on my cash account today. Okay, my rhythmic's back connected. Yeah. But hopefully it doesn't matter if it's back connected. Like, they should still give you, if you have any right accounts, they should still reset them. You know what I mean? Because that would be an issue more so of when it was disconnected, you could have had a loss. And they're not going to take the time to look into everyone's account. So if any of your accounts are red, Leneath, they should reset them, essentially. Nice job, Renee. My Oracle was hitting before the freeze. Yeah, I heard you say that.
Stop filled.
Okay, I'm going to turn this off. I'll keep that one on, but I'm going to turn that one off. All right, so standard setups. All of these are, I wonder what they're at anyway. I'm going to leave that. So we broke the 900, went to this 75 level. Levels up back up to 920. Might get a short here. All right, it's 10:11. I'm going to wrap it up. I was in a trade positive 2K, got back on negative 600. Yeah, so Gage, that should just be removed. It sucks you won't get that $2,000 if that was actually a trade, you know, like you were actively in and, you know, wouldn't have hit your target yet or whatever. But they'll essentially just reset you if those accounts are still right at the end of the day. Nice job, Mike. Slow and steady. One mini, 1 to 2 trades a day. That's all you need. Right. You can, if you have rhythmic accounts, what people will typically do is try to do like a YOLO now, because if they lose, they'll still typically reset them. But you are running the risk that maybe they won't reset it if they can tell you didn't have a disconnect issue. But they're just not going to have time to look into everyone's disconnect issues. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm going to go get dressed for pickleball. Actually, no, never mind. It doesn't start till 11 today, so I have time. They do like a new people thing from 10 to 11. So like brand new people that don't really know what they're doing. So I'll hang out for a little bit longer and then I'll get dressed after the fact. So no luck there. New people like 70 and older. No, some of these 70 and olders kill the game. These are like middle-aged or young people that have no idea what they're doing and they don't know how to hit a ball. And I'm like, have you ever played baseball before? No, listen, everyone starts somewhere. Even me. I'm sure I was crappy at the beginning. But no, typically older people that come out to play pickleball are really good because most of them used to play tennis or squash or what's the one in that room with the blue ball? The really hard ball. Not hard ball, it's a squishy ball, but I feel like it's like super intense. Yeah, that's a good idea, William. Good idea. What's that one in the box? What's the one in the clear box with 2 people? Why can't I think of it? Racquetball. What do you mean that? You thought I was playing racquetball? No, that shit is scary. But I did buy myself some goggles. What part of Texas are you located? Who said I was in Texas? I'm definitely not in Texas. I don't even have a southern accent. Yeah. So the people that I play with, the people that are really good that I play with were previous tennis players or squash players. But yeah. Like I say Bolton, like I am so north, it's crazy. But I feel like I've lost a lot of my accent, like my accent that I used to have. being now in the middle. She's from Staten Island. Yeah, right. That little blue ball be flying. I know, it scares me. But you could have taken that short at 920 again. But you like barbecue like a Texan. No, actually, Tino, you're wrong. I actually don't like barbecue much at all. I'll eat barbecue chicken, but that's about it. I don't like barbecue chips. I don't like barbecue sauce. Yeah, no. No. I'm actually, if you want to relate me to any food that's similar to Texas, it would be Mexican food. You thought I moved to the South? No. Who told you that? Where's all this information coming from? I go to Florida often, if that's what you're talking about. But I've only been to Texas because I had to stop at the Houston airport once, or the Dallas airport. I've never actually stayed in Texas. I'm definitely not from Staten Island. Oh, I love Mexican food. No, I've never tried Indian food. I've also never tried Thai food, and people say that I would probably like it because I love spicy food. Like, I love jalapenos. I love salsa. I love spicy. I love chicken. So Mexican food is my favorite, for sure. So when I go to Texas, I want to have some real good, authentic Mexican food. But no, I need to try Thai. I might have tried Indian once, like in college, like when everyone went out together and it's like, oh, let's go to this Indian restaurant or whatever. My family's Middle Eastern, so maybe some similar stuff, but not a lot. Yep, exactly, Dana. Nice job following that. Just went from 920 to like 905. The curry, no. So good. Yeah, so I spend a lot of time in Florida, but no, I'm not from the South. I don't live in the South, and I've never stayed in Texas, even though I want to. We were talking about that, having like a get-together. I've also never been to Arizona, and I really want to go there to stay at like a nice spa. I have no desire to go to like Louisiana. You know, people like Mardi Gras and stuff, but I'm also not a drinker, so maybe that's why. Or like a partier. I really have no desire to go there. I have no desire to go to most of the middle of America. Kansas City. I just bought a rental in Dayton, Florida. Oh, nice. I'm the southern one, and Irma's in Texas. Yeah. Jen is the southern one. Yeah, maybe you're thinking of Jen. Some people say that we talk similarly, but we both think that we don't. So maybe you're getting us confused. Jen's in the South. There's some Mexican food, and then there's Tex-Mex. Most eat Tex-Mex. Yeah, I know that's true. And I also eat Tex-Mex, but I also eat authentic Mexican food. Like, I like going to Mexican restaurants where they don't speak anything but Spanish. Jen is southern as hell. I know, I don't think we talk alike. Do you prefer tropical or snow? Whitney is so cute. I prefer warm weather, 100%. Tropical is best. That's why I enjoy going to Florida. We're actually going to go to Florida this weekend, and it's going to be like 81 and sunny. I'm going to play some pickleball, go to the beach, go to the pool. I'm excited. Yeah, well, you're going to have to rent it out for yourself a bunch, Sam, because when you have a place in Florida, you're going to be like, I just want to be there all the time. This northern weather gets sickening, especially this time of the day. Look at Jason. Nice job, Jason. $800. Right? Even a few weeks ago, my mother's like, oh, it's 68 and sunny. Like, I love that weather because, especially for pickleball, like maybe not for the beach, but 68 to 70, you could be outside all day and not get hot, you know? And just play all day. And then Laura says she has a Jersey Shore accent. I have a Jersey Shore accent. I definitely don't hear that. But that's fine if you guys think I do. I am from the north. I am from I'm north. I'm more north than New York, and I'm more north than New Jersey. But I think that whole area kind of sounds similar. So, and I have family from New York, so. Cali has good Mexican food. Yeah, people say that, like those trucks, like the food trucks. But I also don't like corn tortillas, and I feel like true Mexican food is always with corn tortillas and not flour tortillas. Is that weird? Not Jersey Shore, lol. I'm in Fort Lauderdale. It's always nice here. Yeah. Antoine, you are correct. Like, the summers get hot in Florida, but people say that once you live there, you just get used to it. Your blood gets thin, and you just get used to it. Oh, she said just kidding. She said just kidding. I don't have a Jersey Shore accent. When I get mad, I probably do. When I start talking out of pocket. Alright, no trades are happening right now. It's 10:20. I'll hang out for a little longer, and then I'm going to wrap it up. Gotta check out Tacos El Gordo on your Vegas trip. Where is that? One of my friends said that they saw a Mexican place on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives that's in Vegas that we need to check out. Nice job getting 12 points off that 920. Thanks for liking the live, JT. I appreciate it. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, 2 to 3 p.m., and then 4 to 5 p.m. So we'll be live 2 more times today. Hopefully there's no more disconnect issues, but if there is, Apex should be fixing all those. Originally from Miami, anything under 73 is cold. I think anything under 55 is cold. That's my personal opinion. Anything under 55. I slept really good last night. Like, really good. And I was knocked out. Woo! The market's dropping. Who took this short? The market is dropping. I want to see what this looks like. What do I have this on? Oh, I have this on one of these. This one? Or this one? Oh, that was quick. 5-5. Give me 78 to 84 year-round, please. Yeah. Working on getting set up with Apex, but I'll also need a walkthrough with your system. Yep. We help you with all of that. So once you join the group, so first you're going to buy your accounts at Apex. Remember, they're doing an 80% sale that ends on Monday. So if you want to get 80% off, make sure you grab those. It is 10:22. We're going into that 10:30 close. We saw a lot last week, at the beginning of last week, that 10:30 was kind of our sweet spot when the market would finally move. So I wonder if we're going to get that break below 900 here and then go down to 800 after 10:30. We'll have to see. Or if it wants to regain some movement and go back up to 18,000. Yeah, so it's up to you. Most people get the $50,000 plan because the drawdown is a good amount. It's $2,500 and the profit is $3,000, which is not that hard to gain over, say, 10 trading days or so. So most people get the $50,000. Some people will get a $25K to just do like a fun YOLO, try to pass really quickly. It's totally up to you. But yeah, so the sale is until Monday. Make sure you use the coupon code SAVENOW or SAVE90, 90. Oh, perfect. Which one is that? Oh, that's okay. So, yeah, and then once you get your Apex accounts, then you sign up for the algorithm, and then we add you to our group. So we have a social platform very similar to a Discord. This is it. It's Slack. And then you have access to these channels, and then Irma will message you, and Amy will message you. Those are my 2 admins to make sure you're set up and ready to go, and you understand what's happening. Oh, awesome. Joe said, hey, Lauren, I just signed up. Looking forward to it. Yay, Joe. Happy to have you. We are 5 for 5 on the day on the standard algorithm. So when you join, you get access to Bold Range, which is what you see up here. Again, that's the one that's 5 for 5 today. There were no night trades, and then there were 5 trades this morning after the stock market opened at 9:30. Yep, so you need to have enough money, obviously, for the subscription, which is $500 for 21 days, and then $1,000 every month after that. And then in addition to that, you need the money for the Apex accounts. So right now, they're like $18 each. You can have as many as you want, but obviously you need at least one. So back down to 900. Look, it's almost 10:30. Not a bounce, a drop. Drop off the 920. This has been an easy play all morning.
Order submitted.
I don't know who else, but all you had to do was take the short. Okay. Cool. Oh, this oil is in a short. We'll see about that. Cool. I'm testing this oil and gold and YM. I'm testing so many things. I'm not really sure how to keep them straight in my head. How long does it take to get up and running? So once you purchase the Apex accounts, then you would purchase the algorithm and you'll be up and running in like 30 to 45 minutes. It depends how computer savvy you are. So I have a video that gives you step-by-step instructions on what you need to do. But some people just aren't as fast on a computer as I am. But some people are even faster. Like I've had some people join and they're set up within 15 minutes. Look at John. That's enough drama for me today. Wednesdays are tough. It's been stressed out this morning. See everyone tomorrow. Lauren, I missed your play of the day. My ninja shut down, but it's okay. Great call this morning. Spot on. I'll take my green. Nice job. These are all Apex accounts. And he can withdraw all of this money from his accounts, and he's risking none of his own cash. All right, we're at 9:02. It's 10:26. And there probably is a lot going on in that head. There's so much going on in my head all the time. It never stops. All right. I'm doing my stretching, and then I'm going to go get dressed for pickleball. And we're going to have a great day. Even though it's cloudy and rainy, which is not Florida weather. Not at all. It's depression weather. Giving away some free sauce on trading. Yeah, make sure you follow Mr. H Trades because he is one of my members. He also has referred a bunch of people who are succeeding very well in the group because he has a very appropriate slow and steady approach. So this 920 is now green, 30 points. So make sure you follow him. He goes live every day 4 to 5 p.m. and Jen goes live every day from 2 to 3 p.m. So make sure you check them out. I pinned his comment on the top, so just click on his profile and follow him because he will go live on that account. And I'm going to wrap it up here. Ooh, this oil's green, $70. Nice, nice, nice. Nice drop here. It is 10:28. We talked about this earlier. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. I hope you guys have yeah, exactly. Sam, you and I are pretty much in the same region. We are in the same region, buddy. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Tomorrow is the last day of the month. I'm kind of happy to be done with February, so yeah. All right, have a great day. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.